Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites fast. Enable the Hyper-V role and ensure CPU virtualization is active in BIOS. Once done, confirm you have enough RAM and disk space for the guest. Now open Hyper-V Manager on the host machine, select the target server, and choose New Virtual Machine to launch the wizard. Follow the initial screens to name the VM and choose a generation. This decides firmware type and device compatibility, so pick Generation 1 or 2 based on your OS requirements. Next, you allocate resources, set startup memory, and enable dynamic memory if the workload benefits from scaling. Once you've assigned CPU count and memory, create a VHDX with the desired size and format or attach an existing virtual disk. VHDX gives better performance and protection against corruption. Then add a network adapter and link it to a virtual switch that matches your networking plan. Make sure the virtual switch mode, external, internal, or private, aligns with how the VM must communicate with other systems. Start the VM after attaching an ISO or setting PXE boot, then complete the guest OS installation as you would on physical hardware. Once the OS is up, install Hyper-V integration components or enable guest services to improve drivers, time sync, and shutdown capabilities. Finally, configure checkpoints, backups, and resource limits to protect the VM. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to verify firmware generation and virtual switch assignment first. Most boot and network problems
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.